Alright, so this is more or less a cautionary tale. Um, I like to pride myself on doing a little bit of research on the tools I buy before I get them. Uh, just because I like to, make sure I'm getting quality tools, regardless of brand. I just like to make sure that it's going to last, and in this case, I kind of got swindled by the Cornwell dealer, more or less a part number bait and switch. So basically, the 4579 is a OTC part number, and usually when Cornwell rebrands OTC, they mark it OW or OWC, and I kind of, dropped the ball. But basically, I got this on promo probably about a year and a half or so ago, and I just got suckered in by the price, and under the impression I'm getting an OTC slide hammer kit. And so again, I've had this for about a year and a half, and as you can tell, everything looks pretty much brand new, and that's because every time I go to use it, I break something. I've warranted this because the holes weren't lined up correctly, so I couldn't even get the bolt in. I've warranted these jaws because they've broken after a single use. I've warranted this two-piece because it actually warped when I was applying some pressure on it. And so I just got tired of warranting stuff, Even though the warranty is there, it's just the hassle of constantly warranting. So what I ended up doing was I picked up this gear wrench set. I believe it's the same one OTC uses. It's made in Taiwan. I think the only difference that I saw was it's got a different slide hammer. The OTC looks more like this one. But right off the bat, you could tell there's a huge difference in quality. You can see all these rough edges from the casting on the Cornwell set, as opposed to the gear wrench, where it's just a lot more polished. No real rough edges, just a lot better quality. And I have no doubt in my mind that this is the exact same made in China kit that you can actually buy on Amazon for like 30-40 bucks. I just paid extra for a Cornwell sticker because as you can see, there's 0 part numbers on any of the parts. The jaws, there's no part numbers, as opposed to gear wrench, they got a part number on everything. So it's just all around better set. And like I said, I believe this is the same set you can get from OTC, because OTC is made in Taiwan as well. But steer clear of any slide hammer kit from any of the tool trucks, for that matter, that's made in China, because it will not last in a professional field. Because look, even the bolts are torn up just after again, single use on everything in here, because after I use it once, I have to call up the Cornwell dealer and ask him to order it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps someone out.